Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make Beetroot Coconut Fry Recipe, one of the famous South Indian beetroot recipe. This recipe is very famous in Kerala and Tamil Nadu states. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/4 teaspoon peppercorns, 1 dry red chilli, 3 garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons grated coconut. Mix it well. Dry roast for 2 minutes on low flame. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder. Just grind it like this. Keep it for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal. Mix it well. Then add 1 chopped onion and some curry leaves. Saute for 3 minutes on medium flame. Now add 250 grams of chopped beetroot, 1 teaspoon salt, add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. Close and cook for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. After 12 minutes, open the lid. Keep it to high flame and dry up excess water. Then add grounded mixture. Add 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook on low flame for 2 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Switch off the flame. Our beetroot poriyal is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.